Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website that is a print-on-demand website where you can sell your own products and can make more money as a print-on-demand seller, as a creative entrepreneur, or even as an artist or designer. So let's get started with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want the free resources, the free KDP interior, the free graphics, patterns, textures for making your own print-on-demand designs, that I have a bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below, or either you can simply head over to the globocreative.com and can download these freebies. Now let's talk about the secret website and what it is all about and how you can make more money as being a print-on-demand seller. And yeah, so there are so many print-on-demand websites. I have made a bunch of the secret websites videos talking about how to make money on them and all. So if you want to check all those sites, so I have made a complete playlist for that. I'm going to leave that playlist link in the card section above. You can check it out. There are a bunch of the websites that are similar to print-on-demand websites where you can make money online. You can check that playlist. And yeah, so let's talk about that website. Now that website, without further ado, I'm going to talk about that is the Stationery HQ. Let me bear for a second guys. I'm going to talk to you about what this website is all about. Maybe some of you guys would be heard about it, maybe not. But Stationery HQ is an awesome website if you are looking for selling your print on demand, especially the stationery products like the stickers, the wrapping papers, the notebooks, the journals, the diaries, the office supplies, and all these, the stationery and paper products as a print-on-demand seller. So I will be talking about this website. So this website is currently on my phone. So let's talk about what you can do and how you can make money with the Stationery HQ. And my website this on my phone. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below for you guys to check it out. So you can create a wholesale account of that. If you're selling your products already and you want to create a wholesale account, then you can also do that. So hey Creative Pro, how can we help you with your custom printing? So either you can log into your account. Who are we and what can we do for you? So Stationery HQ is a family-run digital printing company, and we are hell-bent on helping designers realize their goals. We have an amazing paper selection, and we run big batch digital presses built for premium quality printing. Whether you need one custom mug or 300 wedding suits on your favorite paper, we are here to serve. So we promise 2 business days for production, except for some processes that require more time or for large orders. Our system is set up for easy online ordering with live proofing, and we do custom work too. We ship white label, which means it goes straight to your customer without any billing info. So that's amazing. Like, they are shipping the white label. So if you want to create your own brand around the stationery as a print-on-demand seller, you can do that. They won't be putting their name when they are shipping that product to your customer. Your name will be there. So it's awesome guys. So you can click on the link to create a wholesale account. Start with a 30% discount and get as much as 50% off on your order volume as your order volume grows. And sign up for a new product announcement. We don't email very often, only to provide alerts for weather-related shipping delays, production schedule updates, and helpful info to build your business. We look forward to working with you. Basically, a digital printing company located in San Jose, California, who specializes in one-off and extreme short-run production of fine stationery and gift products. We are also operate multiple websites, including our children's gift site, frecklebox.com, and our separate site, theprinthq.com. We have an awesome arsenal of bindery equipment at our disposal, just ready and waiting for your stunning designs. Feel free to email us at info@stationeryhq.com if you have any questions or just want to say hi. So this is a little bit intro about what this platform is all about, and it's an awesome website if you're looking for selling the stationery. So what products you can sell on this website? Let's talk about the different products they have on the platform. So in the stationery, they have the double thick cards, flat cards, folded cards, false stemmed cards, variable data cards, die cut cards, magnets, and they also have the envelopes and the liners, the blank, the liners, the printed variable data. They also have the wrapping paper, single sheets, variable data like the cards, envelopes, and place cards. The sample packs also there. You can also order the bundle. The whiting products also there, the stickers, the labels. Then there comes the gifts, the art prints, the canvas prints, the clipboards, the coasters, growth chart, general, luggage tags, lunch boxes, mugs, placemats, water bottles, magnets, code charts. Even in the books, you can sell the guest books, the journals, the notebooks. They have the complete wedding supplies, canvas prints, guest books, invitation, menu and place cards, programs, signage, the different kinds of the foil stamp. If you want the gold foil stamp for your products, you can also get it done over here. They also have the office supplies like the binders, the business cards, the clipboards, the folders, notebooks, notepads, letterhead. They also have the school supplies like the notebooks, organization, miscellaneous. Like there is so much you can sell on this platform. Now, let me tell you guys, it's not a marketplace. It's not a marketplace like Redbubble, Teepublic, where you're just going to open up your shop and start selling your stationery products online. It's not a marketplace. It's similar to Printful and the Prodigy in some sense. Like they provide the service for the custom printing, shipping and delivery to your customer on your behalf. They also provide the white label where you can have your own brand logo. So you can connect Stationery HQ with your own website or with the whatever platform you want to sell. You can just do the manual orders as well, or either you can connect it. So the how-to services are like, there are the different kinds of services they have. You can very well check it out, what different kinds of PDF files they accept, what is the file of the size. And then the service, digital printing, custom work, book printing, sample packs, templates. So they have the drop shipping as well. So they have offered so many different products, and not many websites have the wrapping paper as the product. Like not many print-on-demand website has the option as the wrapping papers. Unlike Jazzle, it's a different case. But on the Redbubble, the stationaries are limited. Like you can only see the stickers or the generals or little bit more of the stationery. Like not many products are there as a stationery on the Redbubble and Teepublic. So if you are looking for selling the stationery print-on-demand products, or even building your own brand around the stationery product, then this is exactly for you, because ship the quality product, guys, and the printing is pretty awesome. The stations, you need a gold foil for that. You can also place that. So what you can do, you can just put the listing on your website, and when someone actually places the order, you can manually go into the Stationery HQ and place that order and put the address of your customer, and then they will going to ship it to your customer on your behalf. You don't need to do anything. You are just getting the money from your business. You are not shipping, delivery, printing, which is pretty free. Yes, it's free. Like what you need to do, just hear me. If you are opening up your own stationery print-on-demand website or selling onto the Etsy, you can just make a listing on your website on Etsy, and when someone will going to place the order, you manually need to go into the Stationery HQ and place that order for your customer, enter your details of your customers and place that order, and Stationery HQ will going to deliver and ship and print all that product to your customer on your behalf. So they do that, and they don't take like obviously they're gonna take a cut from that product because they are printing it, shipping and delivery and all that. But apart from that, there is no any other charges. Like there is no monthly subscription or yearly subscription, or you need to pay them to get started with the services. No, obviously you need to pay them for the printing or for the shipping and delivery, which they're gonna take it from the product cost itself. But apart from that, there is no separate charges, which is pretty amazing. If you are looking for building a stationery brand, office supply brand, school supply brand, or even a wedding brand, or even just a simple print-on-demand website selling the mugs and coasters, then this website is exactly for you, and you can check it out, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in description below. You can check it out. I hope this video is useful to you. Do let me know what you think about it. Have you ever heard of the Stationery HQ, or are you ready to sell it on? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.